back to my another vlog. In this vlog I am making a night routine, but it's going to be super productive because I have a lot of things to do. So the first one is like I have a tutoring session at 8 p.m. and then with that, after that, or I may make it or before 8 p.m. like I am planning to do a handmade or homemade soap, which is going to be of chickpea flour, and then I have to go for cycling. Then I have to do some research for my friend, and I guess, and then I have to study a bit. And yes, that's it for today's routine. So stay tuned with my routine, and yes, without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, let me have some snacks. Yeah, let's get started. So yes, I'm making soap, and that is going to be of chickpea flour. So if you want me to make a complete video of it, then please do comment it in the comment section. And now let's start making it. So yes, I'm back from cycling. Like I cycle for 20 minutes straight, and I think it's a good habit. Like even you all should start cycling or some running, walking, or any other exercise. I prefer cycling because that's what makes me happy. So if you are like trying to find out what you can do in your spare time, then I prefer that you should go for cycling, walking, jogging, running, swimming, singing, driving, whatever. But if you want to add something on a workout basis, then cycling is the best, I can say. So yes, now I have a tutoring session at sharp 8 p.m. So I have to make some preparations for that. I have to set up my laptop, meeting link, and whatnot. So I'll meet you in my tutoring session. So my class totally got cancelled, and so I have added some different schedules for my night, and that is going to be like editing the video and researching some of the contents for my higher educations. So yes, let's get started. So yeah, the soaps that I had made are ready, and I have to demold them, and let's see how they have turned out. just washed my face with my handmade or homemade soap, and I feel so damn fresh. And I also feel like my skin has got exfoliated, or has got cleaned very much, because I had added chickpea flour, some turmeric powder, milk, and olive oil in my soap. And yes, these things are very good for your skin, and I feel very, very fresh. I hope you will also try it once I upload a video regarding that, like how to make your own soaps. So yes, stay tuned for that video. And now I have to go for my work, and once I complete my work, my complete routine is finished for today. So yeah, I'm done with my day, or I can say I'm done with my night, and I started being productive night to ending it like to be an unproductive night. But yeah, I have completed most of my tasks, so I don't regret it. Yes, and if you have liked this video, please do hit that like button and do share it with others, and those do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you get to know about it. And also, if you have any queries, to ask them in the comment section. And yes, tata, bye bye, have a good day.